Hi guys, it's Kriti Bhatnagar, your legal reasoning educator from 12 Minutes to Class. And in today's video, we will be talking about 5 qualities that you require to survive in a law school. Now, I understand that going to a law school could be quite overwhelming. There is a huge change in your life because now you are transitioning from your 12th standard to your college. And everything is going to change. You're going to have a different law school timetable. You're going to have a hostel to live in. You will not be living with your family maybe. And a lot of new friends, a lot of new environment. So it is essential that we understand how to navigate the next 5 years of our life so that we get the best possible environment. So starting with the first quality is flexibility with respect to your emotional quotient. Now let me tell you that law school is quite hectic. Obviously you have your classes, you have your new friends, and initially it so happens that you tend to have a huge group. Everybody wants to be friends with everybody wants to be in groups, but as time passes by, you actually realize who is your friend and who is not. It might lead to certain friendships breaking, it might lead to new friendships forming, it might lead to some distress between your friendships with people, and that is okay. I just want to tell you that this is something that happens with everyone. Be flexible with respect to your emotional quotient. It is okay. Talk to someone that you consider who is your real friend, or you can talk to your family, your parents, your siblings, and you will obviously definitely feel better. Trust me, in these next 5 years, you will genuinely realize who is a friend and who is not, and all of that will be a roller coaster ride. It is a roller coaster ride for all of us, and all of that is absolutely okay and normal. Do not get too emotionally dependent on friendships that you stop focusing on your career. Keep a balance and make sure that your emotional quotient is flexible. Understand this is a part of life and this is how we grow. Sometimes we make friends, sometimes we break friendships. Second quality in order to survive a law school would be group communication. Now, a lot of times it may happen that you might have to participate in different co-curricular activities. Law school is not just about going to classes, giving exams, getting grades, and that is done. No, you also have to participate in different activities, going to different law schools, and forming groups and forming teams. There are also group projects, there are also committees in which you can join, and all of this would be really smooth for you if you are someone who is okay with group communications. For example, you might have to participate in moots so that you can make a better CV. So, for participating in moots, you would require a team, and for that, you would require people who you are comfortable to work with. So make sure that you are someone who is okay in groups, and that can only come via communication. Make sure you are someone who listens to other people, who also participates in active communication and lets the other person know that you are comfortable with them and they are comfortable with you. It is okay. Obviously, when there is more than one person involved, there is more than one opinion involved as well. Be acceptable towards others and also be firm with respect to your own point. Third quality is going to be not forgetting why you are here. So a lot of times it happens that once you have joined a law school, you might feel that, now I am out of my house, I have some newfound freedom, I am going to go out every day, I'm going to eat out every day, I'm going to go and sit with my friends the whole day, and you stop focusing on why you were there in the first place. You are there to build a career and to be a great lawyer. So please do not forget that. Make sure that you do not forget your competition. A lot of students would be there in your class, and you should also be working towards your future. Make sure you participate in different co-curricular activities, moot courts, debating competition, client counseling, etc. And also do work on your grades. With that, you can go and spend some time with your friends. Participating in different activities will also help you spending time with your friends and also building a good career. My only point is that do not forget that you are there to make a career for yourself. You are there to become a better version for yourself. Do not be someone who misuses the freedom and then forgets the actual reason for why they are there. Fourth point that I would like to discuss is balance in life. So for the next 5 years, 5 years is a long period of time. It is half a decade. So make sure that you're balancing everything. Maybe from the third year, if you want to go into corporate, you can focus on internships more. You can focus on your grades better. So keep a balance throughout your law school. There will be certain days that will be tough. For example, you have exams coming up. Sometimes in law school, even it happens that you have exam every day. Today you have an exam, tomorrow you have exam, day after tomorrow you have an exam, and as many subjects as you will have exam each day. You will not get time in between to study. Like there'll be no 2 days gap to study. You might have to wake up the whole night to study for the examination. There will be days like that. Then there will be days like where you will have nothing to do, and that is okay. You must keep a balance. Make sure that you're visiting the library. Make sure that you are participating in different co-curricular activities. Make sure you're also working on your grades, and simultaneously you are trying to understand what you want to do, which field you would like to choose after your law school. So as you intern, as you interact with people, you will be able to make a better decision for yourself. So keep a balance of everything. Do not waste the next 5 years, and in the end, in the last 5th year, there are times that students feel, now what do I do? I wasted the last 5 years, and at the end I don't have anything to fall back upon. So keep a balance. There will be days that will be tough. There'll be days that will be easy. Keep a balance between both. It is okay. Some days we have to work hard, and some days are easy going. So the last quality that I would like to suggest with respect to surviving in a law school would be the quality to learn and adapt. Understand that a particular time period is not forever. There will be days that will be tough. There will be days that you would not feel like doing anything, and that is okay. Make sure that you do not crib to an extent that you stop working towards your future. You should be adapting with time. Sometimes it may happen that for the first 2 years, you might not be working hard for your future, and then in the third year you might feel, what have I done in the past 2 years? I have done nothing, and now I cannot do anything, so therefore I should just let it be. Please don't do that. Even if sometime in your law school you would not have known what to do, there is always time left. There is always time to adapt and become better. The day you realize, make sure on that day itself you will start working towards your dreams. Start going to the library, build on your CV, participate in different activities, and work on your scores. A lot of times, it may even happen that in the next 3 years, 3rd year, 4th year, and 5th year, you might still be figuring out what you really wish to do. And it does not matter until you are working towards it. For example, I'll tell you, in my law school, NLIU Bhopal, there was a student who did not study at all. In his 3rd year end, he realized now he wants to do something and become a corporate associate. And then he just started working on different moot courts and participating in debating competitions, and his grades were really low. But his CV with respect to research papers, moot courts, and these co-curricular activities was so good that one of the best law firms of the country picked him up. So it is okay. It is also fate. It is never late to begin again, adapt and learn, and every day will be a new day for you. So these are the qualities that you require to survive in a law school. If you are someone who has some more qualities to add to it, please mention in the comment box. I hope this session was helpful. If any of you is preparing for CLAT 2026, we have recently started a new batch. If you wish to enroll with us, you can definitely check out our website 12minutes2clat.com. You can also download our app from the Play Store or the App Store, 12 Minutes to CLAT. And if you like my teaching method, you can use my code KritiB for joining the classes for additional discounts. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a great day, you have a great week, and you have a great year ahead. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.